Hey guys, Time for Tech here. Today I'm here with a video about a number game program. So it's another program I've written in Python that takes your inputs. So it asks you for a number and you have to enter a number, and it will tell you either whether your number isn't a number actually, so it's you type a letter, whether it was higher or lower than the number it was thinking of, whether you completely got it wrong, and if you want to play again. So there are quite a lot of variables. So as you can imagine, there are a lot of if statements. So we'll first start off here. Import random. We're going to be using a random int thing. So you have to import random. And if you don't import it, the program won't work. I'll show you that afterwards. So here we've got a block that defines the game. This is all in one block. But we've got blocks inside of blocks, as you can see here, 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 and so on. So here, we've got generate a random number between 1 and 10. Secret num, very, very obvious to anyone who is watching or listening, equals random.randint 1, 10. So that just means it's going to generate a random number between 1 and 10 that you're going to have to guess. A while loop. While length of guesses is less than 5, guess equals int input, guess the number between 1 and 10. So length of guesses is less than 5, which means you only have 5 guesses. You won't need 5 guesses, obviously. But yes, this is just something you can try. Now, here it tells you to input it, int. So int is an integer, which is a number that doesn't have any decimal, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Except value error, print this isn't a number. This prints out the actual number. So let's say you put in H. It says H isn't a number. Dot format guess. You need this to show what these brackets are going to be, these curly brackets. Okay? So if you don't add those or you miss out format guess, the program won't work. Feel free to experiment with different variations if you feel up to the task. Now, else, if guess equals secret num, print yes. That was the number I was thinking of. Break. Because if you got it right, there's no need to carry on running the program. Elif guess is less than secret num, so if the guess is less than the number, print incorrect, my number is higher than that number. And final else. If it is, print wrong, my number is lower, so you guess 9 but the actual number is 6. No, my number is lower than 9. And here we've got another else statement. Print, think smarter, the number was this. This is if you completely get the number wrong. And yes, you shouldn't be getting the number wrong with 5 guesses because you'll never need 5 guesses. Play again equals input. Do you want to play again? So it's asking you if you want to play again, you have to enter Y to play again and no if you don't want to. So if play again dot lower is not equal to n, you play. I didn't put not equal to n, capital N, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and so on and so on, because this isn't a full scale game, so there's not really a need for me to add all these in, because you know how to do it. It's just practice, and there's no need to add, is it 50 lines of codes for each lowercase and uppercase letter plus the characters? There's no need for that. And if you decide not to, it prints bye. So let's test out the program. So let's just type it in Python number game .py. Okay. Guess a number between 1 and 10. I'm going to guess 5. Go in the middle. Incorrect. My number is higher than 5. Let's guess 8. Incorrect. My number is higher than 8. So let's just guess 9. Yes, 9 was the number I was thinking of. Do you want to play again? Okay, let's say yes. Why? Guess a number between 1 and 10. Let me try and get it wrong the whole time. Okay, higher than let's just keep entering 3. Okay, incorrect. My number is higher than 3. Think smarter. The number was 5. The program broke because you've already had your maximum of 5 guesses. Do you want to play again? Let's click no just to show you. Bye. Okay, so let's run this again. This time we will run the program. And okay, let me enter something that isn't a number. J. All this. This basically means J isn't a number. So yeah, that's what happens. Let's try something else. There's nothing really else. Oh, let me change this to, let's take off the import random. Command S, and then we will run the program. It shouldn't be working. See? File, blah, blah, blah. Secret num equals random.randint. Name of random is not defined. It won't work because you don't have import random, and that is the function that you need to run the program. By the way, if you're wondering, this isn't a normal compiler you can get. This is from Treehouse. I'll leave a link to that below, but you have to pay for it. But there are many other good ones that I'll leave to the link below, like ones you'd have seen in previous videos, like repl.it, repl.it, and many other ones. I'll just leave links to those down below, and then you can try out there. So that's the end of the video. Feel free to experiment with it and leave me suggestions for what you want to see, whether it's tech or programming, and I'll try and make those videos happen.